strawberry cheesecake shortcake. Y'all ready? Let's go. First, taking our strawberry, sugar, lemon juice, cream cheese. Give this a nice gentle mix, just like so. Adding in the zest of lemon right on top. Give this a nice mix very well. From here, we're going to be coating our homemade biscuits with just some sugar. Placing this onto a baking sheet, cooking it at 375 for a total of 18 minutes. The plate, we're going to be adding in a whipped cream cheese right on top. Placing this with just a little bit of strawberries, and there we have it. An amazing strawberry cheesecake shortcake. As always, please do like, subscribe for all future recipes, and have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye.